Hi, I am Dylan, and today I will be talking to you about the French Revolution and the main causes of the French Revolution. The French Revolution was a time of starvation, revolt, and economic hardship. The French Revolution was caused by several things. Those several things were an ineffective ruler, King Louis XVI, a failure to impose taxes on the higher class citizens of France, food shortages, and economic hardship. One of the things that sparked the French Revolution was the ineffective ruler of France at that time, King Louis XVI. He was also known as King Louis XVI in Roman numerals. King Louis came to power in the year of 1774 and ruled until the year of 1792. King Louis was a rather ineffective ruler, mainly due to his spending habits and failure to impose taxation on the higher class citizens of society. King Louis was later executed for treason in the year of 1793, which was exactly 1 year after his end of rule. Another main cause of the French Revolution was the taxation of the lower class in order to try to get out of economic debt. This was rather ineffective because they did not impose tax onto the rich, which led to revolts planned by lower class citizens. This could have easily been prevented if taxes were also imposed on the higher class citizens of France, and if taxes in general were more organized. Another main cause of the French Revolution was food and crop shortages. Food shortages were caused mainly by weather and just the poorness of the time. Because of the weather and the lack of food, the prices went up and people could not afford this. In fact, half of the average French citizen's income went into food. These food shortages led to angry citizens and a time of riot for France. The final cause of the French Revolution was economic hardship. The main cause of this economic hardship was the amount that they invested into the American Revolution, also known as the Revolutionary War. This led to a high amount of debt to France, and they couldn't pay it off because they were just bad with taxes and they barely had any food. Thank you for listening.